Wicked.
Wicked mean immoral, dissolute, vicious, nefarious.
Opposite meanings are virtuous, ethical, innocent, noble.
Withhold.
Withhold mean reserve, restrain, hamper, retard.
Opposite meanings are emancipate, liberate, dispense, release.
Wane.
Wane mean decline, dwindle, decrease, deteriorate.
Opposite meanings are ameliorate, rise, revive, wax.
Wayward.
Wayward mean volatile, capricious, unstable, inconstant.
Opposite meanings are stable, determined, resolute, straight.
Wilt.
Wilt mean wither, perish, deteriorate, smother.
Opposite meanings are revive, bloom, refresh, restore.
Wield.
Wield mean use, exercise, exert, employ.
Opposite meanings are abstain, avoid, forbear, forego.
One.
One mean pale, fade, discolor, feeble.
Opposite meanings are bright, healthy, colorful, gaudy.
Wilful.
Wilful mean stubborn, obstinate, obdurate, inexorable.
Opposite meanings are amenable, irresolute, pliable, yielding.
Yoke.
Yoke mean connect, harness, hitch, shackle.
Opposite meanings are liberate, release, detach, disconnect.
Yield.
Yield mean surrender, abdicate, succumb, consent.
Opposite meanings are resist, protest, prohibit, forbid.
Yell.
Yell mean shout, shriek, exclaim, gesticulate.
Opposite meanings are suppress, whisper, muffled, muted.
Yearn.
Yearn mean languish, crave, require, pine.
Opposite meanings are content, unwanted, satisfied, gratified.
Yawn.
Yawn mean gape, sleepy, slumber, doze.
Opposite meanings are close, active, brisk, wakeful.
Zigzag.
Zigzag mean oblique, crooked, winding, wayward.
Opposite meanings are straight, even, direct, unbent.
Zest.
Zest mean delight, enthusiasm, various, energetic.
Opposite meanings are disgust, passive, detriment, languid.
Zenith.
Zenith mean summit, apex, maximum, pinnacle.
Opposite meanings are nadir, base, bottom, floor.
Zealot.
Zealot mean fanatic, partisan, bigot, chauvinist.
Opposite meanings are tolerant, liberal, blasphemy, impious.
Zeal.
Zeal mean eagerness, fervor, enthusiasm, ardor.
Opposite meanings are apathy, lethargy, indifference, reluctant.